Looking to book last-minute travel in Navan? You're in the right place. Whether you're trying to get away at the last minute or need to make an urgent trip, Navan is a fantastic tool for booking fast and hassle-free. Stick around till the end, because I'll share how you can access an exclusive, extended free trial of this software, which will help streamline your travel booking process. Navan is a travel management platform designed to simplify last-minute travel planning, and it's particularly useful for busy professionals or anyone who needs to book quickly. It combines a powerful AI-driven system that helps you find the best flights, hotels, and car rentals based on real-time availability. This is especially useful when booking last-minute travel, as it minimizes the stress and time spent searching multiple websites for the best deals. What's great about Navan is that it takes into account factors like your preferences, the urgency of your travel, and even your budget. The platform continuously scans for available options, so even if you need a flight in just a few hours, you'll have access to a variety of options. The best part? It pulls all your details into one easy-to-use dashboard, so you don't have to keep jumping between apps or websites to manage your bookings. If you've ever faced the frustration of booking last-minute travel, you'll know how difficult it can be to find the best options with a tight deadline. That's where Navan shines. By utilizing smart algorithms and machine learning, it can predict the best travel solutions based on your specific needs, ensuring you get the best deal possible without the usual headaches. Booking through Navan is not just about convenience, it's also about efficiency. The platform saves you time by automatically sorting through all available options, offering you the quickest and most cost-effective solutions. If you need last-minute hotels or rental cars, Navan has you covered. It partners with a wide range of providers, so you can rest assured you'll find something that suits your needs, no matter how tight the timeline is. Another key feature that makes Navan stand out is its ability to offer you travel options even when everything seems booked up. Through its AI-powered search, it can find hidden deals, last-minute availability, and other options that might not show up on other platforms. This means that even in high-demand situations, you'll have a fighting chance of securing a spot. And don't forget, one of the unique features of Navan is its seamless integration with your company's travel policies if you're booking for business purposes. This ensures you stay within company guidelines while getting the best available last-minute options. Now here's the exciting part. You can try out Navan completely free using the first link below with an exclusive bonus that gives you access to the platform's premium features. This gives you the freedom to explore and experiment with booking last-minute travel without any financial commitment. So, whether you're booking last-minute flights, hotel stays, or car rentals in Navan, the software makes it easy and stress-free. Remember to check out the link below for your exclusive and extended free trial to see how it can transform your last-minute travel experience. Thanks for watching, and make sure to try out Navan now and see how it works for you.